Bullish Sushiswap, Sushi, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.78 and $10.41 by 2030. Market investigators accept Sushi could reach $4.78 by 2025. Bearish Sushiswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.849418. Sushiswap, Sushi, presentation. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by an unknown engineer known as culinary expert Nomi. The undertaking started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging expenses. It likewise boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them prizes as Sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging charges. The Sushiswap group has been reprimanded for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as claims of insider exchanging and misappropriation. In any case, the undertaking has kept on filling in ubiquity and stays one of the top DEXs on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap, Sushi? Sushiswap is a decentralized trade, DEX, on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious designer known as gourmet specialist Nomi, and later obtained by FTX Trade. The vital element of Sushiswap is its utilization of the computerized market producer, AMM, model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This makes it a lot less difficult to use than customary DEXs, which can require complex exchange orders and can be hard to explore. Sushiswap likewise offers a remarkable motivator structure for liquidity suppliers, LPs, who can procure Sushis, the local badge of the stage, in return for giving liquidity. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage chugging along as expected. Sushiswap, Sushi, crucial investigation. The Sushiswap convention utilizes a variation of the Dutch sale system to decide the cost of every token exchanged. Sushiswap is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses similar security systems as other savvy contracts conveyed on Ethereum. These security components include cryptographic marks. Every exchange submitted to Sushiswap is endorsed by the source's confidential key. This mark can be confirmed by anybody utilizing the source's public key. Transaction expenses. All exchanges submitted to Sushiswap cause a charge, gas, which is paid in ETH. These charges are utilized to pay for state changes made by the exchange, like refreshing equilibriums or adding new requests. Netting. Sushiswap uses an improvement method called netting which decreases the quantity of state changes expected for each exchange. This improvement helps keep exchange charges low and diminishes blockage on the Ethereum organization. Security. Notwithstanding its fame, there are a few worries about the security of Sushiswap. These worries come from the way that Sushiswap is a moderately new task and has not gone through as much evaluating and testing as a few different undertakings in the space. Moreover, there have been a few examples of bugs and weaknesses being found in Sushiswap's brilliant agreement code. While these worries are substantial, it is critical to take note of that Sushiswap has done whatever it may take to work on the security of their foundation. For instance, they have executed a bug abundance program to boost specialists to report any issues they find. Moreover, they have recruited a few trustworthy evaluating firms to survey their code. As Sushiswap keeps on developing, almost certainly, these security concerns will be relieved. Versatility. Sushiswap, Sushi, has proactively shown extraordinary commitment regarding its adaptability. One of the main parts of any digital money project is its capacity to successfully scale. In the event that a venture can't scale, then it is probably going to flop in the long haul as interest for its administrations develops. Sushiswap has shown that it is fit for scaling by leading fruitful symbolic trades on Ethereum's Rinkebi testnet. This exhibits that the group behind Sushiswap knows about the requirement for versatility and is striving to guarantee that their undertaking can satisfy future need. Sushiswap, Sushi, current cost. Sushiswap is as of now worth $1.06. Sushi has moved minus 0.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,227,219. Sushiswap is as of now positioned 158 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $135,104,671. Sushiswap, Sushi, Value Forecast 2022. Sushiswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Sushi. The sushi cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.59. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.49 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Sushi is supposed to have a base worth of $1.27. Sushiswap, Sushi, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Sushiswap Sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of sushi will before long outperform $2.65. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the sushi's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.12 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.34. Sushiswap, Sushi, Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.72 and sushi might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.40 and a low of $3.19 in 2024. Sushiswap, Sushi, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Sushiswap effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, sushi will be green in 2025. The sushi is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.78, with a base cost of $4.25 and a typical cost of $4.46. Sushiswap, Sushi, Value Forecast 2026.